Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we'll talk about random. Random is a MIDI effect which, as we can clearly understand, randomizes MIDI stuff. So we have this chromatic scale. Now let's see how it works. So here we have a chance. So chance determines the likelihood that an incoming MIDI note's pitch will be changed by a random value. So if we have it at 100%, we know that every single note will be changed. If we have it at 50%, we have a 50% chance that random will randomize the incoming note. So then we have choices, and choices sets the highest interval that we can stay within. So if we have 12, we can expect from random to transpose the incoming note by a maximum of 12 semitones. Then we have scale, which is basically a multiplier of choices. So whatever is the outcoming note, so let's say we have a C and then we have a choice of 1, so it basically goes up or down by 1 semitone. If we have scale at 1, it will go up or down by 1 semitone. If we have scale at 3, it will go up or down by 3 semitones. Then we have the note status, and basically this visualizes if the note has been transposed up, down, or if it stayed at the same value of the incoming note. Then we have the mode. So using the mode switch, you can switch the behavior of the random tool between random output and cycle round robin behavior, which is alt. Then we have the sign. So we have add, and with add basically we know that all the randomization is done by pitching up the notes. Sub goes the other way, so each note will be randomized at a lower pitch. And then we have B, which basically is the true random, so we don't know if it goes up or down. So now let's listen to it. Let's try with the different scale. And you can listen how the gaps is higher. Then we have sine add. It goes only up, and sub. They're always lower than the incoming note. So this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.